Yeah, so Mike is doing my bakkie now too. I thought he was going to start with the front, but I see he takes the back off. His GT is back, finally. And here we've got a roof on. Hello everybody. Yeah, so enough about the Jaguar. I'll post some more in the next video. Yo, the sun is bright. So let's get to this baby.
Okay, so we've gone the back of the bucket. It's a day and a half to work with, so fuck it. Okay, Ranger's tailgate is primed. Now, looking good. Got to get flattened and sprayed. Those things also still need to get sprayed. Yeah. Then Gerald has fixed up this lot because it's all got a match. We're ready here. Dents are out. Dents are out. Prime that and we spray the whole bonnet. So yeah. So cool. Okay, busy fixing this grill. All little clips and things. So yeah, and then we'll spray it and assemble it. Yeah, MacGyvered it. Anyway, it'll look alright. Sweet. A little bit more, huh? Look at this side. Is it red?
No, wait, we'll spray another coat next one. Tomorrow. We need to rub more. Yeah, the edge here.
Well, so now sorting out the bumper. Looking cool. Spray the bucky now. Looking quite good. Gonna give it one more coat just to give it a bit more shine. And then we're there. And we're there. In 2 weeks on this fucking thing.
Mike did a good job. He painted the grill that was chromed. He made it nice and white. He fixed it. He fixed the bonnet. Bonnet is straight. And the bumper is lining up again and sorted out. And if we look at the back, it's nice and straight again. And those plastics are down. They're not flapping around like they used to. But when we got it back, like if I pull the lever, the bonnet still doesn't open. So I have to use my makeshift to keep this thing up. And then I can lift her. Please help me. How do I get this shit to work? Then also, I forgot to put this rubber strip on, eh? It fits over there. The reverse camera stopped working and the park sensors stopped working, and this thing, what is it called? I need to figure out how to test this thing. So all of that stopped working. We found just the cables at the back here underneath were not plugged in right. So we got the nice camera working again. We've got these park sensors working again, but this one, I think it picks up this edge here. So you can see there's a bit of a kink there. I'm gonna heat this up and try and bend it in like that. Then it should work properly, and I need to test this thing. I bought a sticker for there, a Ranger sticker that will come soon, and we got the bonnet to work again. If I pull the switch, it doesn't pop, it just lifts slightly, and we put this rubber back. So all that is sorted. Next up, I've got this EGR cooler in the back there that's starting to leak. So I just ran a temporary hose to bypass it. I don't know if I made a video about it, but that's just my bypass pipe over there, and I need to sort this shit out. It's the end of the video, so you must say thank you very much for tuning into the channel. That's it for tonight. That's all, folks, or sweets.
That's all, folks. Just, I can feel bad.
Okay, bye. That's as much comedy as I can get. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching the show. I hope it wasn't too boring. That's basically an update on the Ranger, and next time we'll have some more Jaguar videos. Thank you very much. Enjoy the evening. Bye.